Hey guys, Get On Main here. Doing kind of a little different video today. I've been looking for a while at getting the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I used to have a Galaxy Samsung S3 Frontier. Loved the watch, got a new phone, wasn't compatible with the operating system. So then I ended up going and buying some off-brand. It was called like Lux or something like that. Seemed like a good watch. Durability, it's good, but overall features and function and stuff just not there for me. So finally decided to go back to Samsung. That's what I use for phone. So I figure it's the best way to go is just have the exact same brand. So I ended up buying one. Ended up buying Galaxy Watch Ultra. Finally came in today. They were running a deal right before Christmas. It was like get $350 off or something crazy like that. Couldn't really pass that up. And then also they had another $150 trade-in rebate, instant rebate as well with an old watch. So I'll be sending my S3 Frontier back as well. But yeah, I mean, all said and done, got a really good deal on this watch. Looking forward to trying it out. But I wanted to do just kind of a quick little, I guess, unboxing video. Haven't really done one of these. I was trying to do it with one of my Xbox controllers I had at one point, and it just wasn't the same. So I think this will be a better one. And then I do have another item that is coming in. Probably in about a month. I'm going to try to do an unboxing video of that as well and create something around that. But in the meantime, yeah. So I did take it out of the box they shipped it in, but I haven't fully opened it yet. So what we got here, first off, is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So the box it comes in, not too big. And then also another deal they had going on, which was really cool, was they were throwing in another band. So not only am I going to get the orange band, also going to get the black band here as well. So I guess let's start with this box. And cool thing with this one, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, this one only comes in one size, which is the 47 millimeter. They have other ones as well, which you can get in like a 40 or 43 or 44 millimeter. But yeah, I like the bigger face on these as well. So, but yeah, open it up. That's what you get. Let's see what's here. A box inside of a box. Oh, and there's my orange band. That's cool. So yeah, so I got the orange band and I got the black band here. But yeah, let's check this guy out here. So yeah, it looks like it's just going to be the face here, and then we'll have to put it together. Hopefully it has a little bit of charge. That's kind of my concern here. I was hoping to maybe at least power it on for you guys as well if I can. Well, here's this. I'll take that in a minute. There's another box here. I'm guessing this box is going to be probably like the charger and instructions, all that fun stuff. A quick start guide. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, a little charger, a little charging pad. It looks like we just set it right there. Similar to my other one. My other one was a stand-up one. This one's a lay-down one. But yeah, definitely these quick wireless charging little stations is very convenient, the way to go. Looks like that's all that's inside of this one. Just gonna close that up, get that out of the way. Oh, actually there was something else in there. Oh, just a spacer box. Okay. And I didn't think about this. Sorry if there's a bunch of random noise with all these boxes. Mic picks up pretty well, so might experience some of that. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna take this out. Yeah, check that out. So that's the face. I mean, it's pretty thick, but it's not too bad. Yeah, so you'll connect one of the bands on that side. Looks like a pretty quick connect. Here's a couple of the buttons here on this side. Probably like a home button, go to your settings button, turn off the screen, volume adjustment. And the other side here is going to be the other Connect. And the cool thing on the bottom is it also does have the ability here to, you know, now be able to just keep an eye on your heart rate, all those different things, which is convenient, especially when you're working out. It's definitely helpful to have that. This thing's pretty heavy. I don't even know what this weighs, but I mean it's pretty heavy. But yeah, this is cool. I mean, I was looking at some of the other ones. I really like the style of this. It's like a square with the round front or face, compared to the other ones that were just straight round. I wanted to do something a little different, and then I really like the orange accents this had as well. You can see on the dial there, and then on the button, a little orange around that, and then the band, of course. But yeah, this is a titanium sapphire crystal, is what it's made out of, and very durable, waterproof. Very, very good battery on it as well compared to the other ones out on the market. And then, you know, it's got 3M or 3NM processor, 5-core, 32 gigabyte storage, which is, in my opinion, is huge for a watch. It does have GPS, and then of course the buttons I told you about on the side, and then has Bluetooth, and also you can do an LTE connectivity as well on that. But yeah. Let's see, I'm going to see if I can, actually, yeah, let me see if I can turn it on here. See if there's any battery in it. Might have to charge it completely. It's looking like I'm going to have to charge it. That's cool. But let's do this. I'm going to open the orange band here. Get the orange band on there. What I'll do is I'll get this charged up, and then we'll, I guess, power it on, and maybe just do a quick little session on that here, add to this video, see what else we can show you guys. So yeah, let's see here. So how do I want that? It's always tricky putting these things on, making sure it's the right way. Because you don't know until you get it on, I guess. Man, that was super convenient. Check this out when I put this other one on. By the way, this material, I mean, it's like a heavy duty rubber material. Actually, really nice. So we'll see if I like the orange, but we'll see how it goes, you know, with everything else. Black's more subtle, so I may just switch up and go with the black. Let's see, is this gonna be? This actually might have been the right way here. Let's check this out now. But yeah. Let's check this out. See, just a couple clips. It's not like my other one. I feel like I fight it all the time trying to connect it. And then I'm looking here on the bottom as well before I put the other one on. See, there's little buttons, top and bottom. Those are going to be quick releases. Let's pop that one in here. So this fits. Thing is heavy duty. Definitely better than the other quality. Wow, that's comfortable too. That band's nice, fits well. Again, big faceplate or front, love it. I like that orange. I mean, it's not too bad actually. I was kind of worried about how bright that would be, but we'll see how it goes. Again, I do have the black one, so I can always swap that out if I need to. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing charged up, and we're gonna check it out. Okay, this thing is actually a little bit charged. And I'm going through, and I ended up finding a charger, getting it all plugged in, ready to go, and then as soon as I put it on the charger, it said it had 85%. So I'm not sure what was going on, either hitting the wrong button or didn't hold it down long enough. I guess I need to be more patient, but it is powering on. So I just wanted to make sure I had that on here too, show you guys that. But yeah, overall, look at this watch though. I mean, it's clean. It's got 2 prongs here for the band. Holds it on that much better. What? Galaxy Watch Ultra. Yeah. This is cool. Well, let's see. Let's see if this is a. See if I can connect this pretty quick. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time on all the features and stuff within the phone or the watch, but if I can get this connected, maybe just show you a little bit of the different things in there, different apps and stuff like that. And I'm sure, just like my last one, it's very customizable in terms of watch faces and things you can put on there and stuff like that. You gotta agree to all the terms, and looks good to me. Okay. It's going to get all my notifications, all my apps connected to it, which is fine. I like to see everything right on my wrist, not having to constantly look at my phone. A lot more convenient. So yeah, still going through setup. Phone saying it's getting ready. It's processing everything. Yeah, and if you guys have any questions regarding the watch, let me know. I mean, of course, I'm sure Google can tell you anything you want to know, but probably by the time you guys watch this, I'll already have been wearing this for a little while, getting familiar with it, done some more research, getting it all set up. So definitely just drop questions in the chat or in the comment section. I'll get notifications on that. Come back, I can reply to those for you guys as well. Almost done. Yeah, my next unboxing video is gonna be, I think, much better than this one. The item's gonna be much better. This is a sweet item, something I've been wanting. Honestly, I wasn't even planning on doing an unboxing video until it showed up today in the mail, and then it just was like, you know what? I'm gonna open it anyways. Might as well open it for my subscribers, everyone that's watching this. Do something a little different than just gaming. I mean, that's my main focus, is gaming and content creation and stuff like that. This is still a little bit of content creation, but it's always fun to change things up. I think I even uploaded a short here, I don't even know when it was, back in September, I think. Doing something a little different than gaming as well. Guys should go check that one out. I will actually try to put a link to that into this video as well, but that one was doing some riding, off-trail riding. Just getting off the road, going and playing in the dirt, just having some fun, doing something different. So you guys check out that video as well. Let's see here. It's asking me on all these apps on this watch. I don't even know what half of this stuff is. These ones already installed? Installed on your devices, recommended. I'm just trying to figure out. I don't really install a bunch more apps. Let's see here. I'm not going to install anything else, I guess. Too many things on here. I'm going to just push over the things that I already have on my phone. That makes sense. Yeah, it was things like a golf app for the GPS, course tracking, fitness, voice recording, those types of things. Oh, I can restore, look at that. Choose watch data to restore. Well, that's pretty cool. Man, I haven't used that watch in that many years. Okay, it's been more than I thought. Actually, I'm not even gonna restore, it's been too long. I'm gonna start fresh, just keep it simple. So yeah, let's see here what it's asking me to do. Okay. Choose what will happen when you press the quick button. Oh, that's cool. So I can change that if I hit the quick button, which is this little orange button, or well, not necessarily say it's little. The orange button there on the side, that's a quick button, so you can set things to it. So like, you can, if I hit that, I can open my exercises. Yeah, okay. What else? What other options are there? Flashlight, stopwatch, water lock. Guessing that means if I'm in water, you can't touch any of the buttons. Nothing like that works, maybe. Doesn't really give me options though, huh? Okay, I'll just do that for now. Yeah, choose what wrist you want to put it on. It's gonna be left. Multi-sport workout. Create custom workout routines. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check your body's battery level. Understand your sleep for better rest. Yeah, these are all things just on the phone here, so you can see it's pretty cool. Walking you step by step while you're setting this up. And then I got a message on my watch that also says check your phone to complete setup. So sleep apnea, suggested replies. That's cool. Kind of gives you those preemptive replies, so you don't have to type everything out. Interesting. What's this one? Double pinch to control your watch. That's crazy that it would know that. So I can just go like that, and you can pinch twice to answer calls, dismiss alerts, play or pause music, or take a photo when the camera app is open. That's crazy. Technology, man. Where was it, like 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, right? I mean, it's crazy how much things have come a long ways. Like, just look at that. Just from the pitch of your fingers. You can answer calls, play music, pause music, take a photo. Wow. Oh, setting up. Finishing up. You are all set. Look at that. Yeah, so that's cool. So then it just, boom, brings me into that screen there. Yeah, I can add watch faces. Change the tiles out, find my watch, all that normal stuff. That's done on most watches. Again, I bought some off-brand watch. They look like they were doing well. The watch quality is great. It just doesn't have the functions, right? I mean, it's like some people might not care about all the features in a car. You go buy a car, whatever. It's got heat, it's got AC. I can roll the windows down and open the doors. That's all I care about. Then you got other people that are like, hey, I gotta have massaging seats, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, everything, right? So, well, take a tour of the watch. Yeah, so I think I'm probably just gonna end the video here. But yeah, this is the next thing on the watch face. It says take a tour of your watch. So I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna get it all set up. I don't know how long it's going to take checking these things out, so it's one of those things. I think this video is going to be long enough already. I'm going to try to trim it up some, possibly. But yeah, you know, finish setting that up and start wearing it. Again, if you guys have questions, let me know. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Definitely, if you could, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video. Yeah, and by no means I am not partner with Samsung at all on this. This is just me just doing an unboxing video, so just want to make sure I called that out as well. So again, we'll talk to you guys soon, and we will see you on the next one.